Welcome you all to this meditation. This meditation is about your five senses: sight, hearing, touch, smell, taste. Our senses are our window to the world. We experience life through our senses. Yet, in our everyday routine, we remain busy making meaning of whatever we see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. This is necessary and essential part of our survival. However, every sensory experience is so rich on its own. There is a unique quality to each of the senses. Keeping this in mind, here is a mindful exercise that involves paying attention to one sense at a time. Each sense, when attended to, can reconnect you with the present moment. So, look, hear, feel, or smell the objects without labeling what you experience and what it will be fresh for you. The goal is to take in and experience the experience, not necessarily to define it, and by helping you be in the present moment. This exercise takes you away from the routine habit of regretting things that already passed or worrying about the future. Now, let's start the exercise. Gently and slowly close your eyes. Bring your awareness to the body. Inhale, exhale. Now let's begin sensory relaxation process. Imagine that you are at the top of a staircase. Imagine yourself, you are top of a staircase. At the bottom of the staircase is a state of peace, calm, and relaxation. Notice how you are feeling right now at top of the staircase. Now begin to descend the staircase, going down towards relaxation, down and down to a state of calm and relaxation. Picture yourself going slowly down the stairway, one step at a time. It is comfortable, it's safe. You are moving towards a place of relaxation. Move step by step at your own pace, becoming more and more relaxed with each and every step. You are moving slowly, going down step by step, very slowly, towards a place of relaxation. You might even become a bit sleepy as you get closer and closer to relaxation. That's okay. Allow your mind to drift and your body to relax, heavy and comfortable. Moving down the staircase, down, down, almost to the bottom now. When you reach the bottom, you will be pleasantly relaxed. Now that you are experiencing a feeling of relaxation, create a mental picture in your mind of this relaxing visual images. Imagine looking at entire field of flowers from a great distance. See the flowers growing all the way to horizon as far as you can see. Focusing closer and closer until you are able to focus on several blossoms at arm's length. Now imagine looking at one beautiful flower. See the color of the flower in your mind. See the petals, the leaves, the stem. Imagine looking at the flower from very close up. See the minute details of flower, including any texture in the petals, drop of water, grains of pollen. Let's move on now to one of the other senses, hearing. Can you imagine the sound of waves? Hear in your mind the sound of waves washing to the shore. What about sounds of park on a sunny day? You might hear birds singing, children playing, people talking, dogs barking, a splashing fountain. Imagine the sounds of the breeze flowing at the park. The sound of a game of catch, laughter, the rhythmic thud of a ball as it is caught in the glow, thrown and caught in a glow again. What other sound might you hear at the park? Now imagine a different sound. Now imagine a different sound. The sound of a rain on a roof. Imagine the sound of a rain as each drop lands. You may hear the sound of gentle rain, a few scattered drops, or may you hear a harder rain, the constant tap 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 of many drops landing together. Hear the sound of the rain. Now let's imagine the sense of smell. Can you imagine the scent of baking cookies? Imagine the smell of baking bread. Smell of pine forest. Smell the pine trees, the soil, the smell of the outdoors. Imagine the smell of rose. Imagine the smell of rose so clearly. It is as if there is a rose right in front of you. You brought it to so close to your nose to inhale its sweet scent. Now, let's move on to imagine the senses of taste. Imagine placing a slice of lemon against your tongue. Imagine the sour taste of the lemon if you were to bite into the slice. Now imagine the taste of something sweet, a candy, a cookie. Think of a food you like. Think of a food you like. Now imagine taking a bite of this food. Taste the food. Taste the food. Now let's imagine the sense of touch. Picture an animal that you like, maybe friendly dog, a cat or rabbit with very soft fur. Imagine stroking the animal. Feel the fur, soft fur on the palm of your hand. Imagine moving your hand along the sleek fur. Imagine now a tub of warm water that is big enough to place your feet in. Imagine placing your bare feet into a tub of water. The water is pleasantly hot. Feel the warm water on your feet all the way up to your ankles. Think of holding an object in your hands that is very soft, perhaps a sponge. Imagine squeezing the sponge. Now think of an object that is very hard, like a stone. Imagine holding a hard, smooth, cool stone in your hands. Now think of touching something rough, like the bark of a tree. Imagine moving your hand along the tree bark and feeling the details of the rough surface. Imagine wrapping up in a heavy blanket. Feel the blanket wrapped tightly around you, providing firm but gentle pressure all over your body, very comfortable and heavy. Now let's move on to last sensation. Now, sensation of movement. Imagine lying in a hammock that is gently swaying. Feel the slight movement from left to right, calming and repetitive movement. Imagine the feeling of being on a roller coaster. The feeling of accelerating forward, going up on incline, slowing down as you reach the top, going up the last bit, leveling off and rushing over the other side, accelerating very fast down, reaching the bottom and rushing up the next hill around a curve, fast turns. Feel the movement of roller coaster ride. Now imagine a different moment. Moving your body, imagine running, taking great strides as you almost fly along, running quickly, smoothly, and easily. Feel the movement of your muscles, your arms and legs. Feel each and every step. Lastly, imagine how it would feel if you are able to fly. Moving through the air, feel the movement as you glide, turn, move up and down, fly through the sky. This brief journey through the senses has allowed you to experience sensory relaxation. Now it's a time to return to the present. Get back in touch with your environment. Imagine a staircase once again. You are at the bottom of the staircase right now. At the top of the staircase is a state of alertness, awareness, and calm. When you reach the top of the staircase, you will be fully awake and alert, ready to complete your usual daily activities and maintaining a feeling of calm. Proceed up the staircase, moving higher, 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 reaching the middle of staircase, becoming more and more alert. Nearing the top, a few more steps. Take the last few steps up to the top of staircase. Reaching the top, take a deep breath, exhale, feeling the calm and alert. Now gently and slowly open your eyes. Namaste.